We have our client's 2019 Porsche Cayenne hybrid here, back for its Icon Rocklear follow-up inspection. This is going to be a super short, quick video, just kind of showing off the finished work because black always looks beautiful here in the showroom. But back here, Jen noticed that there were some scratches that must have happened in the parking lot. Another really nice bonus is, of course, if you're already back for your inspection wash, we are going to take care of any imperfections that might have happened that, weren't even your fault. Like, Jen, I think I'm probably gonna need some light sources on this. These three over here, oh, we can still see them without light. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. I have no idea what these are, but once again, some light scratches on the surface. Jen is just gonna buff these out for the client, and it's gonna take it right out because these imperfections are in the surface layer of the Rocklear and not in the actual base paint itself. So factory clear coat remains completely untouched. Right here. Yep, so closer look right there. Boom, 1, 2, and 3. And then the rear one. Rear one is right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit it with the polisher. Oh, and then also a bird poop stain right there that we're gonna take out for the client as well. So we can see the stain, even without the light is on it, we can see the stain right there. So she's gonna also polish that out. You have it ready? Yeah, go ahead and go. No, is there another one? Oh, and there's another one. Maybe like a shopping cart or something. Who knows? Who knows what happens to our cars when it's in parking lots? This one needs a little bit more still. That's already a lot better. Okay, so right there, we've taken a little bit off the top for the Rocklear. You get it ready to see, it's a lot harder to see it. So it's probably been about 60% improved. One more pass with the polisher. All right, 100% gone. So I believe it was like somewhere around here. And can't even see it anymore. And on a black car, I would infinitely prefer that the Rocklear take the stain damage in place of your factory paint, because I would rather remove the Rocklear. It's meant to take the damage and the abuse in place of your factory original paint. I don't want those stains in my factory paint. So this area over here, all gone. These were so light that we don't even need to go over it a second time.
You want me to get the light?
Nah, I mean, I saw it earlier without the light. That one right there.
Yeah, that one's gone.
Okay, perfect. And then the one back here.
Yeah, that's gone.
Alrighty, well, as you can see, we go the extra mile for our inspection washes, so that way, like, our client gets the most out of their visit. So they got the entire hand wash done, and then we put our quick detail that has a ceramic protectant inside of it for a little bit of extra gloss, a little bit of extra hydrophobics. We always do our drying towel finishing pass with that. They get that free wash mostly, and then we check on any scratches, imperfections, bird poop stains, and things like that, because the coating is going to do a better job resisting that when it's fully hardened. But if it happens in the 30-day window between when the coating was first applied and now, it is more susceptible to imperfections because it is not fully hardened yet, it is softer. But as you can see, those came out insanely easy. Plus, we were polishing it out of the Rocklear layer instead of the factory paint. It is doing its job. It is taking the brunt of that environmental and physical damage in place of the Porsche's original paint. So I'll finish showing you guys the showroom shots. Once again, my name is Noah, founder and co-owner of Dragon Auto, here with
Jen, the Chief of Operations and other co-owner of Dragon Auto.
And we will catch you in the next one.